our Flooring Design Center, Home Interiors, to talk all things flooring. Let's head inside.
We are here at Home Interiors with interior designer Anastasia Reeds.
Hi.
And we're here to talk about flooring. We've
Yes.
got a great board out here today. So Anastasia, if you could tell us about some of the flooring options.
Absolutely. So, as we know, right now our flooring industry has taken off so much, and we have such a great variety of options that a homeowner can enjoy for a very long time. They can vary from a sheet vinyl to luxury vinyl products, and we can talk a little bit about differences between them, to hardwood, solid or engineered hardwood, or tile. There's definitely other options, but those I think are going to be your main core flooring products that we can offer for a new construction remodel situation.
What are the most common products used?
Right now, I think the most popular product that we sell and our clients tend to gravitate towards would be a luxury vinyl product, which is going to be a vinyl composite. And the reason why a lot of people love it, it is very DIY friendly because it does come in kind of like a locking mechanism, so you can lock and go. So a lot of people feel comfortable installing this product themselves. And it comes in a tile look, it comes in a wood look as well. And the reason why people really enjoy this product is it is a very low maintenance product. Very easy to maintain, very easy to install, as well as longevity of it.
What areas are you seeing that product get installed?
Sure. I want to say the tile look really kind of went away from being in kitchens to mostly bathroom areas. And hardwood look of luxury vinyl, like plank look, really kind of taken off a lot, very popular, and we see more and more areas are being covered by that. So instead of having carpet in your living room that a lot of people tend to replace, whether they have kids or pets, carpet is just a fiber, so it doesn't last as long as hard surface. So we see a lot of people replacing vinyls in their kitchens, and then they're going to take that product and run it through their main level. We do see a lot of people kind of going away from carpet in bedrooms, and again putting in a hard surface for maintenance reasons too.
One of the things I noticed right away between tile and the luxury vinyl is this is softer and warmer of a surface.
Yes, you are correct. It is a little bit easier on your feet, definitely. If you're standing in a kitchen, if you're cooking, or even if you're in a bathroom and you're stepping on that surface, it's not as cold, it's not as hard on your feet as as your tile would be. So definitely there's that element.
When you look at that, and that being a manufactured product, are you installing much actual wood?
Not as much, definitely not as much. I want to say the reason that people went away from wood is because it takes a little bit more delicate treatment. You have to make sure your thermostat is set to the right temperature, you have the right humidity in the house, you don't want to saturate the hardwood with water. This product is waterproof, so if you have kids, if you have pets, you have dog dishes sitting on here, or you're coming from the pool area, or just even wet feet from the snow. Hardwood tends to not be very friendly as far as water goes, where this product is going to be very durable in that respect. So I think a lot of people just really enjoy not worrying about what the flooring is going to look when it comes time to resale.
And you mentioned, Anastasia, pets, and right away I think of scratches, especially when I look at like the actual
Yes.
hardwood.
Yes.
How does this product hold up to pets?
Really well, and really the more I see more and more products are coming in with scratch-proof warranty, which is really not something that we've seen before in luxury vinyl products, and especially in hardwood. There is no such thing as scratch proof product really, but definitely resistance there is there. Hardwood is going to be a natural product. It's going to dent, it's going to scratch. there's definitely beauty in that, and there is a right market for that as well. But for those families that just want maintenance free, not worry about what the floor is going to look like in 20 years, this is the right fit.
How about cost between the products?
Luxury vinyl has gone up in prices lately, you know, and but really so did hardwood. I think overall you're looking at luxury vinyl still being more affordable option. You just get a lot more designer look in the luxury vinyl flooring for the price that you would never be able to get the same look in hardwood for that price. So overall, I would say luxury vinyl still is going to be more affordable than hardwood.
Okay. And do you see many people going with vinyl flooring today?
We see a lot of that actually going in laundry rooms and powder rooms, and the reason for it is vinyl really offers you fun patterns that may be a little bit trendy, and for those people that don't want to commit to a very trendy flooring, that would be a great option. It's very easy to replace. It is not as expensive as, say, tile installation, and you can get a really interesting look for a really good price.
Okay, and you mentioned that you're seeing a trend of people putting this product into bedrooms, and that makes me think of comparing prices for carpet. How does this product or these compare with carpet for cost?
Yep, it is going to be definitely more expensive up front. You're definitely going to spend twice as much, close to twice as much. However, we carry a lot of products that we would stock as far as a luxury vinyl plank looks that can be very competitive with some of the carpets. You know, your average price of carpet, let's just say, is going to be $2.50 a square foot, $3, just kind of, you can average out. You can go down in price, you can go up in price. And then we carry luxury vinyl plank that would be $3.75, I want to say, for floating option. So really kind of very competitive.
Okay.
And even if though you might pay a little bit higher price for installation up front, you're going to enjoy this product much longer than you would carpet. You know, you might want to replace carpet more often.
Okay. And then what about maintaining it and cleaning these products?
Very, very easy. The luxury vinyl products, we recommend using either a concentrate or a spray, something like this that's going to offer you a natural way to clean your house without using harsh chemicals and preservatives. You know, we have little kids that crawl on the floor, our pets are very close to the floor, so we want to make sure that we don't introduce harsh chemicals in our cleaning supplies. Having said that, I want to make sure that the products that the homeowners use do not use lanolin type of chemicals. The reason for it is like mop and shine type products, just because they put in a really nice shiny finish, which we think of clean. You know, shiny to us kind of reads clean, but over time it just sort of makes a waxy buildup that's going to be really hard to clean. But as far as just maintenance, sweeping, vacuuming, and using a concentrate or a spray cleaner to mop the areas.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is an all-purpose cleaner okay to use?
I would say no, only because every manufacturer has their own requirements.
Okay.
And in order to keep your warranty intact, your manufacturing warranty, you really should follow the guidelines. You know, they have some of the products could be generic, but use your flooring stores for the recommended solutions. That's going to be probably the best thing to do.
Okay, that makes sense. And is there any flooring, Anastasia, that you don't recommend to a client?
That's a tough one. I think we really have gotten a lot better at producing and introducing very safe products. You know, like in our showroom, we have Green Guard products that are certified safe to use in houses. We don't use any products here that would be deemed unsafe or would emit harsh chemicals. So I think just to make sure you read up on some of the products to know what you're putting in your house. You know, if some of those harsh chemicals would be introduced into your home, they may be very hurtful to your family. So just making sure you're not using very low grade products, I guess I would say.
Okay. And what kind of trends are you seeing in today's market with flooring?
Right now we're seeing a lot of warmer tones coming in. You know, for a while we were very gray, and we're seeing a lot more earthy tones. Not necessarily full spectrum brown, but very beigey and soft linens, natural looking hardwood floors, things like that. That's going to kind of give us a very comfortable but yet very soft look.
Okay. And is there anything else you would recommend that clients should be aware of before they tackle a project with flooring?
I would say make sure you explain to your salesperson what you're trying to achieve, what kind of family household you have, whether it's a busy household, whether it's just two of you, you're empty nesters, or you're just starting your family and you're starting to grow into that house. And that's going to allow us to guide you towards the right product. So sometimes we see people coming in asking for certain things. I think it's important to slow down and talk to them about what is it that they're trying to achieve, make sure that we're on the same page with an end goal.
Okay, I love that, Anastasia. It means that what you do then is really beyond even the interior design. You're building a relationship here.
Absolutely. We want to make sure that the client is very happy at the end and they enjoy our products for a very long time. And that is how we keep them coming back and being recommended, you know, and yeah, we really enjoy doing what we do.
Great. Well, we certainly enjoy working with
Thank
you.
you
And
so
thank
much.
you so much for being on location with us today.
Absolutely.
And we appreciate your guidance and advice.
Thank you so much for stopping. I really appreciated you being here today.
Thanks.